Hi guys, we just stepped into the Rainforest Room. We booked the Rainforest Room for, I believe it's under $200. I'll get the price and we'll put it down below. We get it for an hour and 45 minutes. And we're just going to give you an overview of what it's like. We get these green wristbands and this is how we punch into the door. And just follow us. We'll give you a little overview. Thanks.
During our November 2021 sailing, we were able to rent out the Rainforest Room for our private party. This was a special promotion that was offered during our sailing due to the COVID pandemic. The cost was $205 that we split between a party of 4. We took the opportunity to film for you since we had the place to ourselves. During our experience, we were provided with towels and cool lemon-infused water. The Rainforest Room was a beautiful and relaxing experience and, in my opinion, well worth the cost. First up, we have these really nice showers. They were different temps. They had a really nice warm one, a kind of medium one, and a cold one. I stayed away from the cold one. I didn't want anything to do with that. I let the others try that one. This next room that you're seeing is a Turkish bath. It was a very hot steam room with nozzles that you could fill cold buckets of water to douse yourself with. It was my favorite room. It was extremely hot, but that's my personality. So we really enjoyed the Turkish bath. I tried to show you guys all the way in, but it would have fogged up the lens, so I did the best that I could. The next room was the Caldarium. It was another kind of steam room. It was still hot, but not as hot as the Turkish bath. The Turkish bath was the hottest of all the rooms. Next was the Laconium. This was like a dry sauna. It was warm and really inviting. Look at that sexy tile though. It had a great view while we were in port, and so we really enjoyed this room. Very peaceful, very quiet. It was just amazing, just stunning. Next up is what I like to call the money shot. Look at that view. It's so nice. We were able to enjoy these heated loungers more than what we needed, but they were so relaxing. They had reading lights and it was just beautiful. Then when you step out here, these doors open up and you get an amazing view with 2 hot tubs that we could use. It was just perfect for our party of 4, and we enjoyed every bit of it. Couldn't go wrong here.
This is the couples massage room. I don't think I've ever seen this video before, but this is a couples massage room. 2 beds here. The top, and it has a gorgeous view. Wonderful view. So couples massage.
That about wraps up our video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.